subtracting the mixed numbers of 3 1/4 minus 1 2/4. The first thing we notice is that we have a common denominator. So this means we can focus on subtracting our numerators. I have a numerator of 1, but I need to take away 2. Since I can't take away 2 from 1, I need to change my mixed number into an improper fraction. To do that, I need to multiply my denominator of 4 by 3 to tell me how many pieces I have total. 4 times 3 gives me 12, so this means 3 wholes is equivalent to having 12 pieces. Plus the one I already have, that'll give me a total of 13/4 for my improper fraction. We can then do the same thing with 1 2/4. 4 times 1 gives me 4, so we have 4 pieces, plus the 2 we already have gives me a total of 6 pieces. Now we can subtract 13/4 minus 6/4. When I subtract my 6 pieces, I'm left with 7/4. 7/4 is an improper fraction which we can then change back into a mixed number. To do that, I need to divide 7 by 4. 4 goes into 7 once to make 1 whole, with the remainder of 3 to give us the mixed number 1 3/4. We're subtracting 4 2/6 and 1 3/6. We can see that we already have a common denominator of 6, so this means we can focus on our numerator. If I have a numerator of 2, I can't take away 3 pieces from it. So that means I need to change both my mixed numbers into improper fraction. We're going to keep our common denominator of 6. In order to find our numerators, we need to multiply our denominator times our whole number. 6 times 4 is 24, so I now have 24 pieces. My 24 pieces that I made needs to be added to the 2 pieces that I already have. So I have a total of 26 pieces. This means 4 2/6 is equivalent to 26/6. We can now do the same thing for 1 3/6. I can multiply 6 times 1 to find out how many pieces it takes to make a whole. My 6 pieces can then be added to the 3 that I already have. 6 pieces plus 3 pieces gives me a total of 9 pieces. This means we're now subtracting 26/6 and 9/6. My common denominator is still 6. When I subtract 26 minus 9, that leaves me with 17. 17/6 is an improper fraction, so we need to make it back into a mixed number. To do that, I need to divide 6 goes into 17 twice, which leaves me with the remainder of 5. That remainder of 5 becomes my new numerator, and our denominator stays the same. 17/6 is equivalent to 2 5/6, which is our final answer.